boom. On this particular day, we are demonstrating because there are so many issues bothering us in this particular community. You can see the nature of this road. Customarily, I'm supposed to be in white. Whatever program I go to, I'm supposed to be dressed in white. You'll be shocked. I wear this thing by the time I'll cross over this particular dusty road, I end up getting brownish. When I get home, I need water to bath too. Hey, there's trouble, there's no water. Yesterday, we were meant to understand that.
Alright. Abuja for Kpone for a demonstration and Yasam Ketua. Abuja, who calls our constituency now? A NDC Str0ngholds Papa. NPP has never won that seat before. And they are sitting MP, a friend Joti. Yes, the sitting MP over there. This MP on Kasao Parliament that unhuna I say on Kasao Parliament that Ebusia who call the constituency. There's not even one good road. Would you or say they are not even part of Accra? Bro, when you get to this Kpone constituency, you'll be shocked that this is Accra. You see, Accra, there's no water. They have tap, but the water has never flowed through that place before. It's a demonstration. It's here because enough is enough. Roads in there, nothing is happening. But they continue to vote for the NDC. Abusafo, share near mana ani ensema omukan. Whatever that is worrying them are omuye demonstration nemba ebetuaso. Let me show you.
Who is now referred to as the supreme leader of Ghana, to hear this from us. We are Kpone people. I was present at your campaign when you came to Kpone, and you told us that Kpone deserves better roads, Kpone deserves better development. Mr. President, we are your own people. We are not from any other side. We are all your people. You are our father. Please help Kpone. Businesses are running slow because the roads that lead to Kpone is miserable. Getting to Kpone is difficult. If a friend invites you to an event outside Kpone, before you get to the event, you are looking like a galamsey person. Please, we beg you, Mr. President. Kpone deserves better. Please, thank you. You have read 2 budgets so far in Parliament. And, Mr. President, your minister at 2 forces never met.
Okay, good morning to your listeners. My name is Mr. I am the chairman for Kpone Youth Association. We are embarking on this demonstration because for a long time, more than 20 years now, we don't have water. We never had pipe-borne water in Kpone. We are pleading on the president to come to our aid to give us pipe-borne water. Now, secondly, if you look at our roads, we thought our father is in the kitchen. So we think, the president will come to our aid and fix our road. If you go to Arena Road, it's very, very bad. If you go through the Mandela Road, it is very, very bad. Because as an industrial area like this, we cannot suffer this way. And we, the Kpone youth, are saying that enough is enough. Now, Prom and Tema are fighting with us in our boundary issues. We are pleading the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources to come to this particular issue, so that this issue can be solved amicably. Now, all that we are saying is that the majority of our lands were given to TDC. It was acquired and given to TDC. So if there is a conflict, TDC should be the first person to come to resolution of it. TDC cannot sit down put. We don't want to do anything to cause anything. All that we are saying is that all stakeholders involved should come and make sure there is peace. Because we are today having a peaceful demonstration. Tomorrow maybe it will not be peaceful. Thank you very much.
All over. You know, initially, our old women, they used to farm. All the lands that they farm on, the companies has hijacked all the land. Now they are taking robbers from the ground. Mr. President, when you came, you promised the people of home, including the police, the teachers, you promised all of us. We don't see anything. Mr. President, what is happening? See what is happening to our road. We have bad road network. The hospital there, people are dying. People are dying in the hospital. Why? Because the doctor said we have bad road network. So they are not coming. Go and see what is happening. The pregnant women are dying. People who have been referred are dying. We don't know what is happening. Mr. President, fulfill your promise. You promised us and you are not fulfilling it. We need a better road. We need water to do. We are not getting water to do. What is happening to us? We need you. Mr. President, come to our aid. Come and fix up for us. Else, all the companies around us will hijack all the companies. Thank you.
Yes, we go again. Today is Tuesday of our 4 days. On this particular day, we are demonstrating because there are so many issues bothering us in this particular community. You can see the nature of this road. Customarily, I'm supposed to be in white. Whatever program I go to, I'm supposed to be dressed in white. You'll be shocked. I wear this thing by the time I'll cross over this particular dusty road. I'll end up getting brownish. When I get home, I need water to bath too. Hey, there's trouble, there's no water. Yesterday, we were meant to understand that Kpone has generated so many revenues. Now we're asking ourselves, now where has that particular money gone to? We need those money for the reconstruction of our roads and then for the provision of potable water. If these things are not provided, then we're asking all energies on this particular land to get up and deal with whoever is responsible. Be it a man, be it a woman, me, I don't know. But we are saying that they should be responsible because if not, what they are not requesting for, they shall get. Chwamanya Blau.
It's like Munim said MP near road, and I'm like, wow, is it how to address issues? Okay, yeah, we are right here at Kpone. This is Kpone to Michel Camp Gate. Yeah, this is the route of Kpone to Michel Camp Gate, and here is Kpone Road. From here, some 1 minute or some few seconds, you head to Kpone Barrier. So this is the current situation of this road right now. Whenever there's rain or whenever rain falls, this is how drivers suffer before they pass here. So we have some of the drivers here. We want to talk to them. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, please give me your name and I'm called LBDGH on this road. All right. You see, this is Kpone from Barrier to Michel Camp. This is where most of the youth are getting their daily bread. Those who are into transport aspect. Yeah. But as you can see, look at the nature of the road. This is Greater Accra. You see, anytime it rains, this is what you face here. You can see there's a stagnant water whereby cars cannot move. Some are stuck into the water. As you can see, there's a Toyota parked over there. It got full. As you can see, there's a Toyota parked over there. It got full. No one can tell us the fault is, but it's due to this water. Okay.
So I hope you are a driver on this road.
Yeah, I'm a driver on this road. Because the only problem we had right now is bust. As they build this wall, that's where the problem started. So actually caused a whole damage to the road.
So for how long has this road been like this?
This road has been like this from Mills time. I may say
Atta Mills.
Yeah, wow. It has been like this from Atta Mills time. Anytime it rains, this is what they face on this road. It's been ages.
So currently, who is the current MP for this constituency?
Oh, me, I don't want to talk about the MP. But the current MP on this constituency is Joti.
And anytime we approach him, he's just like MP Nyekwine, and we are tired of MP Nyekwine, so we don't know who to approach now.
Wow.
That day, I particularly organized a demonstration, and I was even arrested. That why did I organize a demonstration without a permit? And Joti came there in person, and he's like, Munim said MP Nye Road, and I'm like, wow, is it how to address issues?
Okay. All right. So, viewers, this is Kpone to Barrier Route. If you pass here, you go to Michelle Camp Gate. For Michelle Camp Gate, I learned there's a hospital over there.
Yeah.
So, how do like patients, or if someone is ill and there's an emergency, how would they feel taking the patient to hospital over there?
One, there's a hospital just here, just 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Atlantics.
All right.
It's just here. You can see, sir, when emergency, drivers don't go. When it comes to emergency, nobody wants to use a pregnant woman on this road. So then they will tell them, oh, meaning to me, call. I won't go.
All right. So right now we are pleading on the current government, Honorable Minister of Roads and Highways. This is Kpone to Michelle Camp Gate route. This is the current.